Good morning. Today is another day that I'm cooking for my colleagues at work. I got this beef from the store on my way coming back from work this morning. I got one free. I paid for one, I got one free. This steak is mine. I'm not using it to cook for them. And I also got this smoked sausage. I'm cooking a fried rice today, spicy fried rice. I have this shrimp already in my refrigerator. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna use it. I got the spring onions, fresh tomatoes, pepper as a Niger babe, and this plantain. You guys, I was nagging that I'm not going to use this plantain because this plantain cost me around almost $7. I was nagging I won't use it, and I got these fresh vegetables because Yudi is on a weight loss journey, so I have to indulge in my vegetables. And I also got these red bell peppers, like the bell peppers also, and these vegetables also for the fried rice. So let's get into business. I started first by cleaning the kitchen and doing the dishes because I didn't do the dishes a day before. So let's go. I started off by cutting my meat in cube shape. I seasoned it with thyme, oregano, black pepper, salt. Give it a good mix and pop it in the oven. So I went ahead to wash the cutting board before using it again. You guys know I use it to cut the fresh meat, so avoid cross-contamination. I had to wash it. And that's the smoked sausage. I'm going to cut it up, dice it too, just like I did, but in a more tinier way. So while my meat is in the oven grilling, I'm here cutting up the bell peppers that I'm going to be using. And I followed up by chopping the spring onions also. And the meat is ready, guys. The meat tastes so good. So I had to clean up my dishes. And we're done with that. So back to the stove. I fried the plantain already. You guys remember I said I will not share this plantain, but I fried it already. And I put in a ginger, garlic, and onion blend into the raw rice. Cooked it for it to dawn a little bit, and here I am. You guys, I'm so sorry I forgot to record because I had just returned from work, so I was trying to hurry up so I could get some sleep because I'll be going back to work that same day. But this is the fried rice anyway. I'm done cooking. The rice came out so well, you all. I already packed it in here for work and I kept this in the refrigerator, then went to bed. This is the next day, guys. Oh my goodness, those people finished the food. They finished it. I was almost left out. When I got back home, I saw this Zara product I bought. It's a perfume, Floral Temptation perfume. You guys should go and buy this. It's less than $50. This is the cheapest perfume I've gotten lately. Yeah, so Yidi is off and I decided to go to the store to buy some things for me. I bought turkey legs, egg, bananas, like frozen bananas for my smoothie. I got frozen strawberries and frozen mixed fruits all for my smoothie. Then I got frozen blueberries, and I got these face wipes, of course, and the sanitary for women. Then I love this plain yogurt, guys. I got a Colgate toothpaste, and of course my juice, my fresh juice, watermelon, and this blend, no, not a blender, I apologize, that is a kettle, electric kettle, and this is my blender for my smoothie. And you guys, I like soy milk also. I also got soy milk, and today I'm going to be cooking okra because I got this okra from Walmart. Of course, I'm going to be using my favorite fish, microfish. By now you all should know I love microfish. I'm using one. Hey, I'm back. I know I left you guys. So that's uzuza. You guys, I love uzuza in my food. Uzuza has this distinct taste, unique taste it gives food, if you know what I mean. You can use uzuza in porridge, plantain porridge, yam, beans, whatever you're cooking. You can use uzuza there. Then you add your own vegetables. Exactly. Yeah, food is almost ready. It's time to go in with my vegetable spinach. I use spinach in almost all the soup I cook. Anything that has to do with soup that requires vegetable, it just has to be spinach, nothing else. Or kale, maybe. But I'm not really a fan of kale. Kale is hard. You guys, this soup is so tasty. Oh my goodness. Look, the soup is ready. Of course, I have to say my prayer. We always cover the food with our palm by praying. And this is me enjoying the food. Thank you so much for watching to this point. And I'll see you guys in my next video. It's your favorite girl, UD baby. Bye-bye.